I'm Andrew Heath, Director of Fresh Living Group, and I'm here with Ben Cole, our Solar Projects Manager. And today we're talking about the different types of solar hot water systems available on the market. So, take it away, we're talking flat plate initially.
Yeah, so different systems will suit different types of installations depending on what your requirements are. Firstly with the flat plate, I guess that's what we're traditionally used to seeing, the flat plate on a roof.
Yeah, the big bulky heavy thing up on the roof.
Can be on the roof, and that's a great advantage to have the tank on the roof as well if you've got space issues. So if you've got nowhere to put the tank, to be able to get on the roof, that can be a great advantage.
So that sort of works for multi-unit development stuff too, and maybe townhouses, things like that?
Lots of developments and townhouses, and yeah, which is more and more common these days with smaller blocks. So that's certainly an advantage. The flat plate can do that. They can be split as well, which is what the evacuated tubes always are. So when we talk evacuated tubes, they're the ones where it's a series of tubes.
Oh yeah, a bit like this display one we have here.
A bit like that one right there. They've got an advantage in that they're able to get significant gain even in winter.
Yep.
So suited for climates such as what we have in Victoria. Doesn't have to be hot for them to get hot water, and they're very frost tolerant as well. So you can run these things in minus 30 degrees.
Yeah, and the other advantage of them as well are that they're very light, so there's not load impacts on the roof. So if you've got an existing home, you don't have to get the engineers involved or anything like that. You can go to the evacuated tubes. It even saves the plumber's back a little bit. So.
Yes.
Then you move on to the heat pump.
Heat pump. So heat pump. They were big about 6 or 7 years ago, and then lately there's been a second generation which have improved the efficiency greatly.
They've made them a lot better, haven't they?
They have. Heat pump doesn't actually have anything on the roof, so you've got a tank, and then you've got a compressor which is generating the temperature of the water that way.
Yep. So in layman's terms, it pretty much works like a reverse cycle air conditioner on the heat cycle. So it's taking ambient air temperature, the heat out of the air, and putting it into the tank, yeah?
Exactly that. I've heard other people say it's like a refrigerator in reverse.
Okay.
Big benefit of that is if you've got shading issues, if you've got trees blocking your roof, maybe you've only got a southern roof, or for whatever reason you can't put something on your roof.
Oh yeah, great.
The heat pump means you can still have a very energy efficient system.
Okay, so like if you're up in the hills and you've got the trees, nobody likes to cut down large trees, at least not all us. So there's options available to you to cut down your power usage and not cut down your trees.
That's right. So do give us a call. We'll come to your home and we'll work out what system's going to be best for you and help you make that decision.
It's great. We'll take care of all the installation, all the rebate paperwork. We've had all the training, and we're ready to go. So give us a call right now.